Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to use ECG and BP function on your new Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. We know that ECG and BP function is must for every smartwatches, and since Galaxy Watch 4 it is also available on every Wear OS watches. But the problem is it is not available in every country. Yes, it supports in some major countries, but there are many countries that doesn't support these functions. And here in this video I will tell you how to use these functions in your country. So follow these simple steps to get ECG and BP in your country. And after that, without any issue, you can use these functions on your new Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Okay guys, here's my smartphone and here's my smartwatch. You can install Samsung Health Monitor app on your Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5 or Galaxy Watch 6. So you can use in your smartwatch. Now let's start. First, you have to download 3 apps on your smartphone. Yes, these apps are Samsung Health Monitor app that you have to install on your smartphone. The second one is Samsung Health Monitor app that you have to install on your smartwatch. And the third one is Samsung Health Monitor Mode, a companion app that you have to install on your smartphone. I have already downloaded them on my smartphone. But don't worry guys, I will give proper link of these apps in the description box. From there, you can also download them and install them. First, install SHM Mode companion app on your smartphone. Now click on it and click on update button. Now it is installing. Now click on done button because we will open it later. Now the second one is phone Wear OS SHM Mode app. Again click on it and install it. Now click on install option. Okay, now click on done option. Now on your smartwatch, go to settings, go to connections and disable Bluetooth option. Just disable it. And after that, go to about watch. Yes, in the about watch, click on software information. And here, click multiple times on software version and enable developer mode. Here you can see developer mode had turned on. Now come back and go to developer options. In the developer options, you have to enable ADB Debugging. It is already enabled, so leave it. And after that, go to wireless debugging. Click on it and enable it. And here, click on all option. And now scroll down and click on pair new device. And here you have to note down this pairing code and your IP address and port that we have to enter on our smartphone. Now on your smartphone, open Samsung Health Monitor Companion App. We have just installed it. So we will open it. Here it is, Samsung Health Monitor Mode Companion. Now open it. After that, here click on watch option. Click on OK. And here, now click on wireless debugging. Click on it. And here you have to enter your IP address, IP port and pairing code that we have received on our smartwatch. Let me enter it. Here you can see I have successfully entered my IP address, IP port and pairing code. Now click on pair the device and let it pair. After that, here in the ADB connection details, you have to enter last 5 digits of your IP address. You can see it's 43915. Now enter it here. Okay, I have entered it. Now click on connect button. I understand, proceed. Now click on it and let it connect. It is now connecting our smartphone to our smartwatch. So in this way, we can install our smartwatch app on the Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5 or Galaxy Watch 6. Now click on proceed option, proceed button and let it connect. Okay, it is now connecting. Okay, it is now successfully connected, and here we can sideload APK file on our smartwatch. Now select the APK file. Now go to my files where you have stored our APK files. Here you can see Samsung Health Monitor app which we have to install on our smartwatch. Now select it and click on done option. Now let it install our smartwatch app on Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5 or Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, wait for a few seconds and let it successfully install APK file on our smartwatch. Okay, you can see APK file has sent successfully and it has installed on our smartwatch. On our smartwatch, scroll down and in app drawer you will see Samsung Health Monitor app. It has successfully installed. Now open it. Here you can see it has installed, and here blood pressure and ECG functions are now available on our smartwatch. But before that, we have to open Samsung Health Monitor app on our smartphone. Come back to our smartphone and go to Samsung Health Monitor app, which we have recently installed. Samsung Health Monitor app. Now open it. And here you have to accept the terms and conditions, and after that you have to give all permissions to Samsung Health app. If you haven't installed Samsung Health app, then please install it, and after that give all permissions. For that, go to settings. Okay, for you, let me finish this settings, and after that we will move further. Okay, now click on done button, and after that give your whole information. Let me finish this section also, and after that we will move further. Now you can see I have successfully entered my whole information and it is showing not compatible watch found. It is because that we have disabled Bluetooth on our smartwatch. So now it is time to enable Bluetooth connection. Go to settings. In the settings, now go to connections, and in the connections turn on Bluetooth option, and after that it will pair our smartwatch to our smartphone, and later we can use Samsung Health Monitor app. Now click on retro option, and now you can see it is working. Now click on calibrate the watch. Click on next, and it is showing start your blood pressure. Here is for blood pressure, and now here for ECG. You can see it is for ECG. Now click on get started. Click on next. Now next, and it is ready to use. Okay, now click on done option. It is now ready to use. For blood pressure, you have to calibrate your smartwatch with medical equipment, but for ECG, you don't require any another steps. You can directly measure your ECG, and here I will show you. Now open your smartwatch, and here go to Samsung Health Monitor app. Slide down, and here is Samsung Health Monitor app. Now open it, and here click on ECG option. Okay, and click on OK. And here you have to put fingers on your button. You have to wait for 30 seconds, and after that it will show you correct result. My hand is moving, so it may not work properly, but for a demonstration I will show you. Okay, here you can see my ECG data. Here my average HR is 104 BPM, feeling unwell, and you can also add some symptoms, and after that click on done button. To see your ECG data, you have to again open Samsung Health Monitor app on your smartphone. Here in the Samsung Health Monitor app, you can see my recent result. This is the result I have recently captured. It is showing there is no symptoms, and here you can also watch your history. I am not telling you this is the 100% correct result. This is for reference only. If you feel sick, then it is better to consult your doctor. But don't rely on this app. I hope you understand everything, and now you know how to measure blood pressure or ECG on your Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Watch 5 or Galaxy Watch 6. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.